Good morning, students.
Good morning,
ma'am.
Good morning. Now,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. In a previous class, one class was only there, and in that one class only we have started this lesson how, when, and where. So, in this lesson, just a recall, one page only we have understood in a previous class, first page of this lesson. So, how, when, and where. We have already started with this lesson. How, when, and where. That means who is going to explain me this name of the lesson, the topic of the lesson. In a previous class, I have already made it clear how, when, and where. कौन बताएगा? भूल गए? Forgot everyone? How means? How means? How means students?
कैसे
कैसे कैसे
कैसे
How means कैसे? When means?
कब कब
कब
And where means?
कहाँ
कहाँ कहाँ. So कैसे, कब और कहाँ. And we will talk about कैसे, कब और कहाँ. This shows क्या हम पढ़ेंगे इसमें. क्या हम पढ़ेंगे? The things which happened at the particular stretch of time in the past, है ना. पास्ट में जो चीजें हुई है, जो इवेंट्स हुए हैं, उसके बारे में how those events took place, when those events took place, and where those events took place. So it will create a link between past and present. हम जब वो पढ़ेंगे, जो हिस्ट्री क्या है, तो it is a link between past and present. वो सारे events, situations के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे, and how things happen, and when that particular event took place, and where those events took place. That all we will remember this in this history. Clear? Now, first topic we have understood about how important are dates. Now, how important are dates? In this, what we have understood? How important are dates? कुछ समझा था हमने. Dates in at present, dates are important to remember. History is all about dates. Yes, Harish. Is history all about dates? Huh? Is history all about dates?
No.
No. History is not only about dates, but at present time, if we read history, then from the historian points of view, now in present, we will read about all those things. About the subject matter of history is not only to deal with the dates and all, but it deals with the means of livelihood of the people, the production of the food, the cities, development of the cities, markets. ये सब के बारे में भी हम पढ़ते हैं. Not only about the dates, but the events which happened in the past. Clear? Now we have understood this figure 1. In this, what we have read about or understood in this figure? In this figure 1, what do you know about this figure 1? In this figure 1, now whatever I am explaining you, listen carefully और आप पढ़ के आइए. So that whenever I'm going to ask the questions related to the means lesson understood by you all, तो आपको समझने में आसानी रहेगी और मुझे भी सब पता लग जाएगा कि आपको समझ में आया कि नहीं. Am I clear? So this in figure 1, the artist is trying to show that the Brahmins, now who were Brahmins? Brahmins were supposed to be the savior of Indian culture. Brahmins were, in the past, Brahmins were supposed to be the savior of Indian culture. So in figure 1, the artist is trying to show that the Brahmins are handling over their charge to the British.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
My voice is cracking.
No, ma'am, it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So the Brahmins are handling over their charge to the British to take care of India and its people. So this figure shows that the artist is trying to show that the British, the Brahmins, here the Brahmins represent whom? They are to be the savior of इंडियन कल्चर. ब्राह्मण्स को इस कैटेगरी में रखते थे इंडियन कल्चर की. So they were supposed to be the savior of Indian culture in the past. So they are handling over their charge to the British. Here, this figure shows whom? We have already read about. This figure shows to whom? This British is shown with which symbol? Britannia. Forgot everything. Britannia. Britannia was the symbol of the British power. So the Brahmins are handing over their charge to British to take care of India and its people. And the picture projects the British as victorious. मतलब उनको एक तरीके से विक्ट्री मिल गई इंडियन कल्चर पे अपना सुप्रीमेसी जमाने का. Clear? So this is the thing shown here. Then we have also read about the Renal, James Renal. Who was James Renal? Who was James Renal? Who was James Renal?
Ma'am, he made maps.
Yes, who makes maps means
Map
James
of
Renal.
Hindustan.
James Renal was a person we can say
Supporter of British.
Supporter of the Britishers. Very good. And he was asked by whom?
Of India.
Yes, he was asked by whom to make the map of Hindustan? He was asked by
Robert
Clive.
Robert
Clive. He was asked by Robert Clive to make the map of Hindustan. Now, can you tell me why Robert Clive has asked Renal to produce the map of Hindustan? Renal को क्यों बोला गया? Map
The
of
helping of producing map.
What happened?
Because it
Yes, why Robert Clive has asked Renal to produce map of Hindustan?
because he thought that with the use of maps it would be easy to conquer India.
Very good. Because he thought that it would be very easy to conquer India if he would be having the map. That means the Britishers will be having the map of Hindustan. Clear? So James Renal was asked to prepare the map. Then we have seen further in this same page that living in the world means the things we take, whatever we see around us, we just take for granted. Okay, might be these were the things which were like that only in the past also, and it is continuing in the present also. But we can say that the things could was not at the as same as it was in the past. So we would wonder how our history of several events, that means the several events occur over a time, एक साथ एक ही बार में नहीं हुए सारे events, एक ही particular date पे नहीं हुए, but the events took over a time. कुछ समय लगा हर event को, जो भी situation past में हुई है उस past में जो भी events हुए हैं उनको एक तरीके से कुछ time समय लगा, that the time when people started to take tea, the time to take the tea, the people started taking to tea means इसका मतलब यह है कि एक बार में ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि एक ही समय पे सब लोगों ने चाय पीना शुरू कर दिया. Over a stretch of time, it took time over the period to get the knowledge about the tea, and the people all of means a stretch of time they had the knowledge of tea and they started drinking the tea. The same thing, the time when railway were built and the printing press of the newspaper started. So these were the subjects. They all not took at one all at once or particular date or month, but it took a long period over time. धीरे धीरे ये events, and that is why today we see that we should not only read history as the string of dates only कि ये सिर्फ dates ही dates हमको learn करनी पड़ती है, but we should know about the events also which happened in the past, because those events might be had taken a stretch of time, then only that event was there in the past. और वो events हम पढ़ेंगे, when we will relate those events, it will be better understandable to you about our past. Now we have to start this page. All such historical questions refer us back to notion of time. All such historical questions. Which historical questions? That people started taking tea, या railways were built, या printing newspapers started. So all these are the historical questions which refer us back to the notion of time. With the means we had to go back to the past to know all the history about these events taking place in our past. But time does not have to be always precisely dated in terms of particular year or a month. But time does not have been always precisely dated means वो time, it means the things which happened in the past. The when people started taking tea or railways were built on newspaper, that cannot be dated in terms of particular year or month. उनको बनाने में, उनको शुरुआत होने में थोड़ा सा समय लगा. So sometimes it is actually incorrect to fix precise date and processes that happen over the period of time. So it actually it is incorrect to say that history is all about dates and to link those events with the fixed particular day or date or year. It is not correct, because that happens over a period of time. क्योंकि जो सब चीजें हुई है, situations create हुई है, events हुए हैं past में, वो एक period of time के means अंदर हुए हैं. So it is incorrect to give them a particular fixed precise dates. People in India did not begin drinking tea one fine day. They developed a taste for it over time. Means एक समय में ही लोगों को जानकारी नहीं हो गई पर्टिकुलर डेट पे कि हाँ इस दिन हम कह सकते हैं कि लोगों को चाय की जानकारी, चाय के बारे में जानकारी हो गई. But it took the long period of time, and there can be no one clear date for the process such as this. Similarly, we cannot fix one single date on which British rule was established. Another example, we can say that when did British rule established in India? When did Britishers came? So this also we cannot give a fixed particular date कि ब्रिटिश का किस दिन हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में आए और किस दिन उन्होंने रूल शुरू कर दिया, because it happened slowly. The situations happened slowly with the in the past. So we cannot give a fixed date to the things happen in the past. एक समय ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि ये पर्टिकुलर डेट पे ब्रिटिश इंडिया में आए और इस डेट पे भारत में उन्होंने अपना रूल लागू कर दिया. बट नहीं, स्लोली वी ऑलरेडी आर अवेयर अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट दे केम एज अ ट्रेडर. वो धीरे धीरे कब एक ब्रिटिश आया, दूसरा आया, ट्रेड करते हुए सब. तो इस टाइप से समय लगा. इट टुक अ स्ट्रेच ऑफ टाइम to for the particular event. So we can't give the particular precise particular date for the events. Then or a national movement started. National movement कब start हुआ? National movement means the movement against the Britishers to show their agitation against the Britishers. That also did not started once in particular time period, but means particular date or month. फिक्स्ड डेट नहीं थी नेशनल मूवमेंट स्टार्ट करने के लिए भी, बट स्लोली एज एंड व्हेन इन वन स्टेट टू अनदर, इन वन टेरिटरी टू अनदर, पीपल स्टार्टेड द रिवोल्ट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स. उन्होंने एक के बाद एक ब्रिटिशर्स के खिलाफ रिवोल्ट शुरू कर दिया. बट हम एक पर्टिकुलर डेट उसको भी नहीं दे सकते. किसी टेरिटरी में कभी स्टार्ट हुआ, किसी टेरिटरी में कभी स्टार्ट हुआ. सो नेशनल मूवमेंट टू गिव अ पर्टिकुलर डेट, इट कैन नॉट बी गिवन. In 1857, the Indian independence was there. First World War of Indian independence was there. But we have given in 1887, but we can't give the particular date or day for that. So stretch of time can be there. हम particular time period दे सकते हैं, but we cannot give the particular fixed date. और the changes took place within the economy and society. जो economy और society में जो changes हुए हैं after the coming of the Britishers, how was the Indian society previously based on We have means based on caste taboos and superstitions and caste categories and all, but and how the changes had appeared in Indian society. So those changes all of a sudden did not took place. एक साथ एक समय में नहीं changes हुए, but उनको समय लगा है. I hope till here it is clear. कि क्यों हिस्ट्री को डेट से लिंक नहीं कर सकते, वो पर्टिकुलर सारे इवेंट्स को हम डेट नहीं दे सकते. आई होप क्लियर इट इज क्लियर. क्योंकि वो एक ही समय पे नहीं शुरू हुआ, बट इट टुक अ स्ट्रेच ऑफ टाइम, ओवर टाइम, धीरे धीरे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह वो जब शुरुआत हुई तो एक जने से दूसरे जगह पे धीरे धीरे उनको नॉलेज होने लगी इस बात की. ठीक है ना. Then we can only refer to a span of time, particular time period. Span of time is time period, an approximate period over which particular changes become visible. हम सिर्फ एक तरीके से approximate period बता सकते हैं कि इस time period के अंदर ये particular changes society में देखने को मिले, ये national movement start हुआ, ये Britishers इस time period में आए, but we cannot give a particular fixed date for it. When then do we continue to associate history with string of dates? So why then do we continue to associate history with the string of dates? Rishabh, why then do we continue to associate history with the string of dates? Now the question arises in our minds कि हम जब बोलते हैं कि ये एक सिर्फ डेट्स पे ही डिपेंड नहीं रहती है हिस्ट्री, then why we continue to associate history with the string of dates? फिर हम हिस्ट्री को क्यों एक डेट्स का आधार बेसिस मानते हैं? This association has a reason, और ये बेस जो डेट्स का बेसिस है हिस्ट्री में, वो एक उसका एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन है behind that. There was a time when history was an account of battles and events. Now, what is the main reason behind it? Behind it means क्यों हम हिस्ट्री को सिर्फ डेट से रिजेंबल करते हैं, डेट्स का बेसिस मानते हैं हिस्ट्री का? बिकॉज देयर वाज अ टाइम इन द पास्ट व्हेन हिस्ट्री वाज एन अकाउंट ऑफ बैटल्स एंड इवेंट्स. जब सिर्फ बैटल्स लड़े जाते थे, इवेंट सिचुएशन जो भी इवेंट्स क्रिएट होती थी हिस्ट्री में, वो एक पर्टिकुलर राजा, इट वाज ऑल अबाउट द रूलर्स एंड देयर पॉलिसीज. जो रूलर्स और उनकी पॉलिसीज होती थी, ये सब एक पर्टिकुलर डेट, इस दिन ये बैटल फॉट हुआ, ये इसके लिए डेट, इस इवेंट में ये हुआ, बैटल ऑफ प्लासी या बैटल ऑफ बक्सर, जो भी बैटल्स इवेंट्स हैं, इस दिन ये रूलर गद्दी पे बैठा. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज द मेन रीजन वी एसोसिएट टुडे आल्सो हिस्ट्री विद द स्ट्रिंग ऑफ डेट्स, के सिर्फ हिस्ट्री डेट्स ही याद करने का है. Historians wrote about the year a king was crowned, the year he married, the year he had a child, the year he fought a particular war, the year he died. Because in the past, that was all about that historians wrote in the history in the past. क्या लिखते थे हिस्टोरियंस? एक समय ऐसा था जब हिस्टोरियन सिर्फ राजा के बारे में लिखते थे. व्हेन ही वाज क्राउंड, कब वो गद्दी पे बैठा, व्हेन ही वाज मैरिड, व्हेन ही हैड द चाइल्ड, व्हेन ही फॉट अ पर्टिकुलर वॉर, कब वो उन्होंने लड़के लड़ाई जीती, और कब वो मींस उनकी डेथ हो गई. सो दिस वाज द मेन रीजन व्हाई स्टिल टुडे वी थिंक दैट हिस्ट्री इज ऑल अबाउट द डेट्स. And a year next ruler succeeded to the throne. Next ruler means after the death of one ruler, when did the next ruler set on the throne? For events such as these, specific dates can be determined. और इन सब के लिए एक particular dates हो सकती है. For these such events, the dates were very much particular in the past. Such as these debates about dates continue to be important. और इसीलिए ये dates, discussion on the dates of particular king was important for historians in the past. समझ में आ गया क्यों past में historians के लिए dates important थी? Because they only focused their attention, their main motive of study to the means ruling of the king, the crowning of the king, the particular king, when did he married, when he got the child, कब उसने कौन सा बैटल फॉट किया, who succeeded that particular king. So only the historians focused on these particular topics of interest in the past, and that is why in the past these dates were important. I hope till it is here it is clear क्यों dates important थी पहले. As you have seen in the history textbook of past 2 years, historians now write about the past a host of other issues. Now, in the past 2 years, now you know that history, not only you have to read about the dates, but many other matters of interest are also there to read about. They look at how people earn their livelihood. Now, the topic of focus of the historians in the last 2 years, it has been totally changed. Change हो गया उनका taste, उनका focus of study. Now, the historians started writing about how the people earn their livelihood. उस जमाने में लोग past में क्या उनकी क्या occupations थी, वो अपनी जीविका कैसे चलाते थे, what they produce, what they ate, how cities developed and markets came up, how kingdoms were formed, and new ideas spread, and how cultures and society changed. So this was now, as you have seen in history textbook of past 2 years, now historians have totally changed their focus of writing about history. They not only have started writing in the history about particular king, particular ruler who used to rule there, but they started focusing on the common people also, how they earn their livelihood, how they produce it, how the cities markets developed, how the kingdoms were formed. I hope till here it is clear, everybody. Clear hai beta? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then now which dates? Coming to the next topic, which dates? By what criteria do we choose a set of dates as important? Now, the in our mind, the question arises now, what should be our criteria of interest on which we can see that these dates are important for us, or these dates will be important for us to learn about history or to know about the history. The dates we select, the dates around which we compose our story of past are not important on their own. जो हम dates, जो story हम पढ़ते हैं, जो जिसके बारे में हम past में हम जानते हैं, the dates of that particular story, what we want to study is not only important, they become vital because we focus on the particular set of events and important. They become vital. They become vital means these dates become important to us. When they become important to us, when we want to focus our study of history, study of past for the particular event or particular things which happened in the past. जब भी हमारे लिए वो डेट important होगी. कौन सी डेट्स हमारे लिए important होगी? सारी डेट्स हमारे लिए important नहीं है, but it should be kept in our mind that we should first of all we should know about our focus of study of history. हम history में क्या पढ़ना मांगते हैं, क्या important है हमारे लिए history में, किस event पे हम important पढ़ना मांग रहे हैं, किस event को, और जब उस event को हम पढ़ रहे हैं तो उस event की ही हम dates जानने की importance रहेगी हमारे लिए. So if our focus of study changes, if we begin to look at new issues, new set of dates will appear significant. Now, if we started studying new things of the past, सिर्फ हम राजा के बारे में नहीं पढ़ेंगे, उनकी प्रजा के बारे में पढ़ना शुरू कर देंगे, या the administration, how the things how was the administration run in that particular time period. तो हम सिर्फ उसी के बारे में dates को learn करने का सोचेंगे. So how, at what criteria should our dates we should focus our attention to learn the dates? क्या हमारा criteria होना चाहिए? क्या होना चाहिए हमारा criteria choose करने का? It should be yes. Anybody? हमें सबसे पहले ये देखना पड़ेगा कि हमारा फोकस ऑफ स्टडी क्या है ऑफ द पास्ट। हम सारे कुछ डेट्स लर्न नहीं कर लें कि ठीक है इस दिन ये हुआ, इस दिन ये इवेंट हुआ, इस दिन ये बैटल फॉट हुआ, इस दिन ये बैटल फॉट हुआ, नहीं। बट हम अपना फोकस ऑफ स्टडी पहले सोचेंगे कि हमें पढ़ना क्या है, हमें किसके बारे में जानकारी लेनी है, then only we will start studying that. And as our focus of study will be changed, जैसा हम अपना criteria study of knowing the past change करेंगे, वैसे ही set of dates भी change हो जाएगी। Hope it is clear. तो सारी dates सारी हर चीज की important नहीं है, but वो हम important रखता है कि हमें किस बारे में जानकारी चाहिए। हेलो हेलो, now consider an example. In the histories written by British historians in India, the rule of each governor general was important. Now in British history देखते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि वहां पर each governor general was important. The rule of each governor general, जो भारत में जो ब्रिटिश आई, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी आई रूल करने, तो वहां पर भारत में वो किसके कौन रूल कर रहा था ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के बिहाफ में? गवर्नर जनरल्स। जो गवर्नर जनरल्स रूल कर रहे थे ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के बिहाफ पे भारत में, उनका रूल इम्पोर्टेंट था for the British historians to note it down, to write it down about the history of British India. Clear? So we will read further from this paragraph in our next class, that is the very next class. After 10 minutes, we are going to meet again. I hope till here it is clear, everybody. Everybody clear till here? नेक्स्ट क्लास में सब जने वापस से ज्वाइन करेंगे। अभी मैं 10 मिनट्स का ब्रेक दे रही हूँ। यू विल ज्वाइन अगेन, rejoin again my class with the same meeting ID and passcode and with your proper names. मैं वापस से अटेंडेंस मार्क करूंगी। क्लियर? एंड इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीबडी टू join the live classes. Clear? For your attendance, 75% attendance is necessary. So I hope everybody will join again after 10 minutes. 10 minutes break. Yes.
ओके मैम।
हाँ, क्लियर। तो हम आगे का लेसन कंटिन्यू करेंगे इसके बाद, जब तक आप 10 मिनट का ब्रेक लेकर आइए। ओके, सो आई एंड अप द क्लास हियर ओनली टुडे। नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल मीट आफ्टर 10 minutes. थैंक यू।